The rabbit cage is officially finished. Let's check it out. This is the back, sides, and the front. Use these little kickstands to keep the door up. Ta-da! Now the door's shut. And now we put it back up. It's kind of hard with one hand. Okay, sorry about all that. The inside, you can see I just used a mailbox. I'm sick of building and hurting myself. And the other side, not too shabby. The rope is for lifting up the lid, so you can get inside without having to go through that little door. And yep, there's the mailbox. It's going to be used as the hut for the rabbit. And once the rabbit's in, you can just shut the little door and pick it up and take it where you want to. So it was an easy process. So there it is. The rabbit cage.